It's time for a little teardown. Let's rip into the RetroStone and let's see what's inside this little mean machine. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to do a little bit of a rip and tear. Here at the back we are finding 6 little holes, and here you can find the screw that's holding this little machine together. So if you compare this RetroStone with the GameBoy Pi, so far I know the PCB board needs to be one piece. So this is not like the GameBoy Pi that it consists of different PCB boards that you need to soldering all together. And if you want to open it up, it's very easy. Just pull up this front cover, be very gentle. And here we have a left, and at the right side we have a pin, and this is for positioning the front cover, so it's very easy to assemble and disassemble. Alright, this is it. This is what we're going to get when pulling off the front cover. First, let's check out the front cover. And here we have the old school membrane buttons that they are using for all those years. And for give you a better idea, here we need to put in this little rubber for the start and select button. And at the front we can find, of course, the gold connectors for the buttons. Let's take a little peek under the LCD screen. Yoo-hoo, anybody home? And here we have the connector for the ribbon cable that connects the LCD screen to the main board. So I'm not pulling out any cables because I just want to do this in basic disassemble. Yeah, here we have the full PCB board, custom made so far I understand. Here we have the 2 connectors, that is one for the buttons at the back, and here we have for the battery, so if you want to replace it, it's very easy. Let's take a close look at the connectors. I'm not going to unscrew this because this is just a little PCB board with the connectors and membrane buttons. Here we can find, let's take a close look. Let's take a close look. Yeah. And indeed a 3000 milliamp battery, like the description on the box says. So they were not naughty. And a little overview of the PCB board. It seems to be this is not the first version. They already released another version. This is a Pi version 1.40. Here we can find the CPU with a little cooling element and the 2 memory chips. So that concludes this little teardown of the RetroStone. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's always a pleasure making new videos for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you next time. Bye bye.